Alright, this is the 16 valve header on the 20 valve head, and you can see the issue we have here. Fits on these studs and the ports line up perfectly, but the end two holes don't line up. So what most guys will do if they're running the 16 valve header on the 20 valve head will put a bigger bolt here, or a bolt with a bigger flange, or a big washer on that one. And then on this one, you got to cut this lobe off there, just with a grinder or whatever to clear this water outlet. And then same kind of thing. I'm gonna run a bolt with a washer to hold that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the grinder. So there it is, hacked up. I tried to leave this elbow there, but who knows, that'll probably snap off because it's cast. But it should be enough to get a bolt on there, and then this side I just took a hair off so the bolt will screw in no problem. Sorry about the shakiness here. But everything else, middle hole should bolt in, and the top two nuts should go on no problem. So this is one of the most straightforward parts of this whole swap. If you did want to use the 20 valve exhaust, you can do it. You just have to get a different exhaust flange here, figure out where you're going to put your O2 sensor, and run the intake side starter. We were going to try and use the 20 valve and run an exhaust side starter. They're really close. Probably bash the header a little bit and get some clearance, but we're just going to use the 16 valve for ease right now because we want to worry about everything else we have going on. So this is the easiest way to do it, so we'll do that, and then maybe down the line I'll make a new exhaust and run the 20 valve header on it. 20 valve header is a little bit lighter for sure. It's tubular manifold, but they're about the same intake, or the same runner size and everything, so it should flow similarly. I'll probably get larger fender washers for the two end bolts. I'm just leaving it on here for now. I have to run to the store and grab that stuff. And since you're going into a aluminum head, always get them, all your bolts started by hand. You don't want them going in cross-threaded, so that's going to be a nightmare. So just don't even mess around with it. Then I'm just going to snug them down a little bit with the impact, but I'm going to tighten my torque wrench.